Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily make a triple photo slide edit on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is prepare 4 photos and import them to CapCut and put one of them as the background and the other as overlay like this. Okay, so now put the overlay in position like this. So make the other one is a bit late than the other. Okay, so it will go like this. Now add a keyframe at the start of the background and then where the first overlay start. Okay, so in here, now put the opacity of the background to 50 on the second keyframe. Click on the check icon and now click on the first overlay and add keyframes at the start and where the second overlay start. Okay, so in here, now on the first keyframe, drag the photo to the middle like this, and then repeat the steps for all overlay and drag them lower as you go. Okay, now for the last photo, you can just adjust it like this. Okay, so on all the overlay, go to animation and add the flip animation for 0.5 seconds. Find the flip. Okay, this one, 0.5 for all of the overlay. So after you add the animation, you are done. This is for the last one. And after this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.